Hello? I'm sorry I didn't get a chance to introduce myself last week. I'm Edward Cullen. You're Bella?
Yes.
Hello? 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 I'm Edward Cullen. I've never wanted a human's blood so much in my life. Hello? I'm Edward Cullen. Hello? Hello? I'm Edward Cullen.
You're beautiful.
Hello? I'm Edward Cullen.
Beautiful. This is the skin of a killer, Bella. This is the skin of a killer, Bella.
I'm Edward Cullen. I'm Edward Cullen. I'm Edward Cullen. Then ask me the most basic question. What do we eat?
Let's face it. I am hotter than you.
I know what you are.
Say it. Out loud.
Vampire.